discouraged by the lack of play?
I mean, you just approach every single day as though you're a starter. You know what I'm saying? You take notes. That's pretty much it, man. You just approach every day like you're gonna be playing. Because you never know what might happen. You know, a guy can go down. There've been plenty of times where guys have gotten hurt. Jordan's gotten hurt. Miles is going out. That's just the nature of the business. So, like I said, you don't want to get caught up being negative and down in the dumps. You know, you're gonna struggle mentally. It's always a mental battle because you're gonna play. But at the end of the day, you want to stay positive and make the most of your opportunity. Deuces, I gotta go. Deuces, I gotta go.
One more though, you always talk about how you try to make the most of every opportunity. You haven't been able to share your kind of strengths as a receiver. What did it mean to be part of both areas of the offense?
It was cool. It was cool. You know, it was. I had a lot of fun. You know, it was a blessing to finally be able to get out there. Go to work with my guy Miles and Jay and Jordan and everybody that's been Sproles and everybody that's been in that backfield. It's been cool to go to war with those guys.
Oh, that's my turn. You ain't done.
Whoa.
Yeah. Hey, man.
Let's see what you got.
Was there a package? Was there a package of plays in there for you that you thought going in?
A couple. I mean, it's just like I said, it's situational. So I mean, there are a couple that we worked on during the week.
You had no inkling you were going to get used like as much as you did.
You know, they were talking about you being a fullback early in the season, right? Well, don't look like it right now, right?
I'm not afraid to put my hand in the dirt. You know, linebacker, just kidding. I don't take that seriously. I might go punt, rugby style. No, but it's cool.
Brandon Brooks was just talking about how much he played there in Sproles and about going 100 miles an hour.